So what is the perfect amount of money to start trading? It is a question that many traders ask me over and over again, and I was just thinking about it and I realized that it is quite easy to give an answer to this question, so I will just do that. Now, many traders trade with $100 or even less, and in my opinion that is already a much better position than to start trading with a demo account, because when you have even a little amount of money, then you know that it is a real market. It is not just a demo market where you win like millions of dollars and then on the real market you lose it in one day. It is a real market, and you know that if you are disciplined and you can earn money with that $100, then you will be able to earn money with 1,000. I have an equation that you can use, and it is not really an equation, it is just a simple calculation, and that is, when you start trading, the perfect number, the perfect capital is approximately $100 per currency pair that you want to trade. And I tested hundreds of trading algorithms, and this was the number that was optimal to start with, because there are some optimal numbers. It is all statistics, and if you think that trading is some magical, some untouchable thing that you can't achieve, it is not the truth. In my opinion, everybody who has the discipline and the willingness to learn trading, they can do it. But most traders and most people want to make millions of dollars in a day, and they don't follow the advices of traders who are actually profitable, and they think that they can make like thousands of percentages per year, when the biggest traders in the world only make like 10 to 50% return. So how could you double, triple or 10x that? And this is another additional part that I just told you, to start with $100 per currency pair that you want to trade approximately, and don't trade, this is an additional part to this management system, don't take more than 2 trades per currency pair at once, and use 0.01 lot size. If you use more than that, it will mean that you are a gambler. And I know that these are harsh words, but most traders lose money, in fact more than 99%, and believe me, they all think, or they all thought that it is the case that you can trade with like 1 lot per $1,000. Insane. 1 lot is for minimum $10,000 or even higher. And leverage is the thing that just confuses people about trading, because if they would know how much money they would have if they want to trade without leverage, yeah, it is the game of wealthy people. But with leverage, everybody can trade, and it is a great thing. But most market maker brokers just take advantage of those people, of those small traders, and with the huge leverages, those market makers just take their money and run with it. So don't let those market maker brokers and bankers and hedge funds to take your money and run with it. Learn statistics, probability theory, and watch my videos, and you will be fine. Ciao.